Hi guys, I'm sorry. The other video ended on me. Oh. Let me see if I can try to pull the chain. Oh.
That's as high as it goes.
Hey. Yeah. It's low. That's low speed probably, I think. Yeah, that's low speed. Alright. Here's off. That's off. Alright, good. That's off. High. Alright, here's high. This one wobbles a little bit. Pull chain moving right there, so you can see that. I know, see. Yeah. Maybe this is a Hampton Bay Rockport ceiling fan, I'm not sure what that is. Oh, and here's another one. Right there. See, down rod, I mean canopy, and that down rod right there, so, yeah. And you can see that right there, see. Okay, again, alright, see. That's the reverse switch right there. It's the reverse switch right there. See, the fan running, see. That's actually high speed. It has a slow high speed to it.
What kind of fan is that, Ron?
It might be a Hampton Bay Rockport. I'm not really sure what kind of fan that is.
That's rare to fit that. Yeah.
Let me turn this one off to show you. See, I turned this one off. See? I don't know if you can see it, but... Oh, this one doesn't have the same blade brackets. Okay. See, I turned this fan off, see? But by pulling that pull chain right there. See? I know it's their fan. I know it's not my fan, but... See, it has different blade brackets than a Hampton Bay Rockport ceiling fan, see? See? Turn it back on high. See, that's off now. Now turn it back on high, see? I was just turning that fan on high speed.
Okay.
Oh, this fan has a faster high speed to it. Look, guys. This one is faster than that one over there. See, this fan right here is faster than the other one. It's faster than that one right there, see? You can see that. Hey Vic. Hey Vic. The one over there on high speed is faster than this one.
Why is that?
Maybe it has a different kind of motor to it. Or maybe that fan is newer.
Well, they're probably about the same, I would think, wouldn't it? Maybe not. I don't know. Yeah.
See. See, and this one is faster than this one right here. This one goes slower. This one is faster. See? Yeah, see? And remember, that's the pull chain right there. See, you can see that. Right there, see? Okay, again. See? 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 See, and this one right here, see? The blades on this one might be very dirty. That's why this one goes slower, probably. Maybe the blades on that fan is dirty that caused the fan to go slower than the other one.
Maybe. Yeah.
But because sometimes when fan blades get really dirty, they cause the fans to spin slower.
Yeah. That could be.
Good observation.
That right there.
Good advice. Haircut too. How about that?
Reverse switch right there. See. And that one over there. See. That one over there is faster than this one right here. See. This one goes slower, but that one over there is faster. See. Yeah. See. And that's the long down rod of this fan and the canopy of this fan right here. See. And there's this fan right here, so you can see that. Alright. Alright. I'll end the video with this fan. Alright. Bye guys.